Good day again guys and welcome to Doc Ivan Answers. Our question for today is by... Actually maraming question regarding dito pero lalagay ko na lang po dito sa mga comments. But in general, they're asking po for tirzepatide or the brand name Mounjaro. Short answer, as of September 2025, again, hindi pa po available commercially yung brand na tirzepatide or Mounjaro dito sa Pilipinas. Kahit nga yung semaglutide na pang anti-obesity medication nila, hindi rin po available. So far, yung mga nakita nyo po dito or nabibili nyo dyan, usually compounded medications lang po yung mga yan. So compounded, meaning hindi yan regulated ng FDA, andun yung potential na pwedeng mas less yung effect niya and mas mataas yung side effects naman po niya dun sa mga tao. If tanggap nyo po na pwedeng mangyari po sa inyo yung mga ganyan, you may go ahead if you want to inject this kind of compounded medications. But me as a doctor, usually sinasuggest ko po hintayin po natin yung mga approved ng ating mga regulatory commissions bago natin ibigay itong mga medications na to. Marami akong magagawang video regarding this one sa. Okay, stay tuned for our next videos on GLPs, GIPs, and these anti-obesity medications.